illustrators, welcome back to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today, in honor of the 4th of July, I am going to teach you how to draw a bald eagle character with fireworks in the background. So go ahead and grab all of your drawing materials and we will get started. All right, illustrators, here we go with our bald eagle characters. The first thing that we want to do is we're going to work on the beak. So to do that, we're just going to start with a small upside down letter U. And we'll create a curved line here that will end up becoming the smile of our bird. From there, we're going to add a little curved line underneath for the bottom of the beak. All right, we're going to work on the eye next. So we're just going to draw an oval here to the left of the beak that we just added. Little oval there. And we'll add a pupil to this and fill this in. And you'll notice that I left a little spot of that paper showing through, and that creates what we call an eye highlight. And adding that in just helps your characters to look a little bit more professional. Now the other eye we're only going to see a portion of because this is going to be like a 3/4 view of our eagle. So the other eye will just be a very small upside down letter U there on top of that beak. And the suggestion of a pupil there. Now for the body of our bald eagle, we're going to create a skewed rectangular shape. So we're going to come up the side, over the top, and down and around. So we'll start on this side of our bird, the small line that comes a little bit above that eye there, comes around. And now we're just going to bring this body back down and around. We'll come down the bottom here. We want to have an imperfect edge down here. Some feathers there. And then we'll come all the way back up. Two eyebrows, 1 and 2. And we'll add a few feathers on top here. All right, I'm going to add a layer of feathers that break up our eagle's head from its body. And now we get to make the wings. This is going to be really fun. So this first wing we're going to have swishing this direction out this way, and the other wing we'll have coming up this way. Okay? So we're going to start with this one on the left first. So we're going to start about halfway along our body here on this back edge. We're just going to make a big curved line. And we know that eagles have really large wingspans. So we're going to create some really fun tips here for our feathery wings. And we can add a few more of these fun triangular points in the center of the wing here just to break up this big shape that we've drawn. And now we're going to move on to the wing on the other side here. So this time we're going to start a little bit higher. I'm going to come up to a point, and just like we did here, we're going to create a series of points for our feathery wings. And also, like on this side, we can add another layer of these points in the center here, just because this is a very large shape that we've drawn. So it's nice when you can add a little bit more detail in here. All right, now we're going to add 2 legs down here. So from this area that we started off with, we have a nice uneven feathery section here. We're going to do a series of a couple of lines. And then the talons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're going to do that same thing with our front leg here as well. So 2 lines, followed by 4 talons. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the last thing to add to our eagle character is the tail feathers. We're going to create those similarly to how we did the wings here, with a series of feathers, meaning a lot of different points. And just like before, you can add a couple detail marks in here as well. All right, now this is a bald eagle with fireworks in the background. So to make our fireworks, we're going to create a series of broken curved lines, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So you want to come out here in some of your extra space here in your background, and we're going to create an invisible point. And from there, we're going to create a series of broken curved lines, and it helps if you can create some stabilization lines first that you then can use as kind of markers for your additional lines. So that's the basic shape of my firework here in the background, and then the rest of my lines can just follow those same curves, and I'll fill in here with my additional details. Now that you know how to create these, you are welcome to fill in however much space you'd like to with additional fireworks. And you can change the sizes of them as well. You can make some that look smaller, like they're further away, or you can make some that are larger that will look like they're closer to you. But just like I said before, you just want to start with a few lines to stabilize and serve as an outline for the rest of your lines. And then you just create the additional ones in between. All right, illustrators, there we have the outline of our bald eagle with fireworks. Now what we are going to do is add some color. So go ahead and grab your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. Alright, illustrators, there is our bald eagle with fireworks illustration. The last step that we have to do is sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. Amazing job today, illustrators! I hope that you all enjoyed drawing your characters, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye!